Right, so then we want to write the pseudocode to allow a new password to be entered and to ensure that it contains at least 12 characters. The password is re-input until it meets this requirement, and we want to use an appropriate error message for inputs that do not meet the requirement. Okay, so yeah, let's just go ahead and see if I can copy that. Okay, yeah, there we go. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and here just write it. Yeah, okay, right. Now, if we look at this, it says, well, we don't need to we don't need to declare any variables for this algorithm. However, if of course we want to test it on the site, I guess we will need to. Right, so let's just go ahead and declare something quickly. Right, so I guess, yeah, okay, right, so I guess we need the original password. No, okay, yeah, alright. So here I guess we actually just need one, right? We just need the new password. So let's just say that, I guess, well, password. Alright, and that's going to be a string. Right, so what do we want to do? We want to, okay, yeah, write pseudocode to allow it to be entered and ensure it contains at least 12 characters. Right, so here you can do this either using a while loop or a repeat until. I think I'm just going to use a while loop. Right, and the advantage of using a while loop is that basically we can output first, please enter a password. Or of course, we can then input that into password. And what we can then do is we can then have a different error message, inside the while loop. For example, I know password less than 12 characters, right? Please re-enter. Whereas if we use a repeat until, well, really what we would need is we would actually need an extra if statement inside the repeat until. Yeah, because I guess the problem with a repeat until is that you're always going to execute at least one time. Yeah, okay, so in order to get that error message, which it says here, well then of course, yeah, we need, an extra if statement inside that. Alright, so I think, yeah, let's do it just using a while loop. Let's go output. And then, yeah, maybe please enter a new password. Right, then we can then just input that into password. Right, yeah, okay, yeah, so here's going to be the validation then. So we want to check while the length of password, right, okay, yeah, and here it should be at least 12 characters. So I guess what greater than, or, yeah, okay, sorry, right, while it's less than 12. Right, then what we want to do, let's go output. I know, let's say, yeah, password, right, should be at least 12 characters. Let's say try again. Yeah, something like that. Right, then if we just input again, so we're just going to input that into password, of course, just overwriting that. Right, then if we go end while, and yeah, I think is that everything we need. Yeah, appropriate error message. Yeah, okay, I think that's fine. Alright, so let's run that. Let's go, I don't know, yeah, just like A's like that. Of course, password too short. Right, and I'm going to try and get exactly 12, so that's going to be 3. Let's go, right, 6, 9, and okay, right, that should be 12. And yeah, okay, right, so yeah, okay, we see that's accepted. Okay, let's go, for example, 11. Right, so that's going to be 11. Of course, yeah, try again. And then I guess, yeah, have something long. Right, that's going to be fine.